welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make Poha Cutlet. You can also call it Poha Roll, as you can shape this recipe the way you desire. And you can serve it as breakfast or as a lunchbox recipe, or you can give it as a snack. So without any further ado, let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making this Poha Cutlet or Poha Roll. And guys, if you do like my recipe, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon, without which you'll not be notified each time I upload a new recipe, and it's free, so why wait? And then guys, don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family if you do like it by clicking on the share icon. And now let's proceed. So guys, for this recipe you're going to need 1 cup of poha, which is flattened rice, 2 medium-sized boiled and mashed potatoes, 1 small chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of boiled peas, 1 tablespoon of cilantro, which is fresh dhania, ginger chili paste, Kashmiri red chili powder, dhania jeera powder, which is coriander cumin powder, jeera, which is cumin seeds, amchur, which is dried mango powder, chaat masala, all of these 1 teaspoon each, salt as per your taste, and oil for frying. And now let's begin our process. So now guys, let's add the poha in a bowl, and then let's add some water, and then we are just going to wash the poha. So we are just going to add tad bit more water and wash it. And then add it like this to a sieve so all the dirty water goes away. And we are going to repeat the same process one more time. And again, drain them. And now just lightly press it. So all that excess water goes away. And now remove it in a plate. So once you have removed the poha in a plate, let it sit like this for the next 2 to 3 minutes. This will help the poha soak all that water and it will become nice and dry. After 2-3 minutes later, let's add our poha flattened rice in a big bowl, followed by the onions, then the green peas, the potato, then the dhania jeera powder, amchur powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, jeera, ginger chili paste, dhania, and of course some salt. And now using my hands, I'm going to mix everything in. So guys, I have just added a little pressure when I was mixing the poha with the potatoes and other stuff, and now it's become like a dough. See, it's become like a dough. And now guys, you can give whatever shape or that you desire. So you can make it into a log shape like this, or you can give it a heart shape and make it into a cutlet. One more, oval shape, or you can give it a heart shape. So I'm going to give this remaining dough the heart shape, and I will show you once I have everything ready. So guys, you can see I've given the poha potatoes a heart cutlet shape, and now it's time for us to fry them. So guys, I've already heated the oil for frying, and now I'm going to one by one start adding our heart shaped poha cutlets. Let's turn the flame on low for now, and we're going to fry till all the sides turn golden brown in color. And once they start looking something like this, then it's time for us to remove them in a plate covered with tissue so that it sucks any excess oil from our cutlet. And now let's sprinkle some chaat masala on top of our cutlet. So guys, aren't our cutlets looking really cute, and I absolutely cannot resist them, so I am digging in. That chaat masala, that sprinkle chaat masala does wonder. Guys, you can totally serve this as a party appetizer. Guys, I'm telling you, make it. Write to me once you make it, what do you think about it? Also, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. That is one way you can support me. And if you do like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one, as well as this one. So do click on these links, and I will see you very soon. Bye. Take care.